Okay, let's look at number 17. Now you should have chosen A, so let's go ahead and see why the others are wrong first. So let's look at B. Scene. I can get you into contacts, she insisted, every time she, and I'm going to write seen here. And I'm going to say this again. I can get you into contacts, she insisted, every time she's seen me. No. Saw is the past tense of see, and so we should keep saw. Change me to mine. I can tax, she insisted, every time she saw mine. Mine is possessive. It means something is mine, and I don't need a possessive here. I need me. This is a subject pronoun, me, okay? Or an object pronoun. I need this to talk about me. You have eliminated those, and then you change or insert a comma after contacts. So let's see. I can get you into contacts, comma, quotation mark, she insisted every time she saw me. This is correct. I need a comma, quotation marks before the speaker tag. So now what I want you to do is look at something with me. I've written a couple of different ways to write this same sentence, and we need to look at it because we have got to learn these quotation mark rules. Whenever I have quotation marks, I have what's called a speaker tag. These are my speaker tags. A speaker tag tells you who is. Quotation marks are used when somebody is using dialogue or they're talking. So this is my speaker tag. Okay, so I always start my quotation marks. I always start a new sentence in quotation marks with a capital letter. Okay, and quotation marks come in pairs. This is my opening quotation mark. This is my closing quotation mark. So I have quotation mark, capital letter, and then I have comma, quotation mark, speaker tag. This is when the speaker tag comes at the end, okay? Now, here I have a speaker tag that interrupts the sentence. It comes in the middle. It's breaking the sentence apart. Here are my two opening quotation mark, closing quotation mark. Quotation mark, capital letter, comma, quotation mark, speaker tag. I can, she insisted, comma, quotation mark, get you into contacts. In this case, my period goes inside my quotation marks. In the sentence above, I have to have a period after my speaker tag if it comes at the end of a sentence. So in this case, I don't have a speaker tag at the end of the sentence. So my period always goes inside my quotation marks. Now, you say, but you don't have a capital letter here, and you say quotation marks capital letter. But if you look at this, the sentence is being split by the speaker tag. The sentence is, I can get you. So since we're just splitting apart a sentence, we don't begin with a capital letter. We begin with a capital letter when we have a new sentence or a proper noun. Now, lastly, our speaker tag starts the sentence. So, she insisted, comma, quotation marks, I can get you into contacts, period, quotation marks. And here's my capital letter. So, comma, quotation marks, capital letter, period, quotation marks. Quotation marks, capital letter, comma, quotation marks. Comma, quotation marks, period, quotation marks. My punctuation inside goes inside the quotation marks. My speaker tag has to have a comma before the quotation marks. Now you need to complete the rest of the questions to help you with quotation marks.